Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shweta Rambhya, consultant dermatologist at Just Care Mumbai. I am going to speak about hair care. To condition or not to condition, to oil or not to oil, when it comes to your hair care, you will find all kinds of advices. Mothers will tell you to oil your hair. Your hairdresser will recommend the new in thing, the hair spa, Moroccan oil, strengthening, not rebonding, and all the things. Before you pick your choice of treatment, here are a few things you must know. The first step in hair care is your diet, and the most important thing in your diet are iron and protein. The hair cells are the fastest growing cells in the body, but they are also the first ones to be affected. Try and include an iron-rich food like leafy vegetables, fish, pumpkin seeds, beans, chickpeas, soya beans, cereals in your diet. You also need proteins because that's what strengthens your hair. Include a complete protein which are also rich in amino acids like cheese, milk, soya, lentils, peas, yogurt. A good diet for hair will boost your confidence to stay healthy and smart. So what are the do's and don'ts of healthy hair care? Do's: you need to protect your hair as well as your skin from sun damage. Consider using a bathing cap in chlorinated pool or rinsing your hair after swimming. Regularly trimming your ends of the hair and brush the right way. Take care of your overall health because hair is an ever-growing tissue affected by your physical well-being. What are the don'ts? A key essential to good hair care is figuring out how often to wash your hair. Over shampooing can cause your scalp to become tight and itchy, whereas washing too frequently can cause dryness. Wet hair can stretch, causing breakage or damage to the cuticle. So avoid brushing or combing the hair when they are very wet. Gentle hair care means drying your hair with a towel before blow drying, but do not blot or do not rub. Using a flat iron or putting it on a setting that's too high can cause damage. A flat iron that's too hot will cause hair to become dry and brittle, resulting in frizzy or hair breakage. Wearing ponytails or braids too tightly can cause hair damage. Wearing hair accessories tightly can cause hair damage. Chronic pulling of the hair can also cause hair damage called traction alopecia, which can be permanent. So how will you prevent the hair, or what are the tips for healthy hair? Tips to maintain healthy hair: always clean your hair with a mild shampoo. After washing the hair with the shampoo, use a conditioner. A conditioner can help add moisture to your hair and also give it a lot of shine. Oil your hair once or twice a week. This also helps in causing revitalizing of the dead shafts of the hair. Eat right and healthy because diet plays an important role in hair growth. Protein is essential for long hair, so make sure you are getting enough proteins in your diet. This can be done by increasing your intake of protein-rich foods like dairy, fish, pulses, nuts, eggs, lean meat, soya. Eat foods that promote hair growth. Hair supplements: if nothing else works, take supplements. Supplements should contain biotin, zinc, essential vitamins, amino acids. If you think your supplements is not helping, try consulting a dermatologist for your hair. Thank you so much.